Discovering Giethoorn, the Venice of the Netherlands. Nestled in the Dutch province of Overijssel, Giethoorn is a picturesque village that feels like it's been plucked straight out of a fairy tale. Known as the Venice of the North, Giethoorn is renowned for its serene canals, thatched-roof cottages, and tranquil, car-free atmosphere. This enchanting destination is perfect for a peaceful getaway, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and quaint charm. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or simply in search of a tranquil escape, Giethoorn has something special for everyone. A brief history of Giethoorn. Giethoorn's history dates back to the 13th century when it was founded by fugitive monks. The name Giethoorn is derived from Giethoorn, meaning goat horns, as early settlers found numerous goat horns in the area, remnants from a 1170 flood. Over the centuries, the village developed around peat digging, which led to the creation of its iconic canals. These waterways were initially used to transport peat and later became integral to the village's charm and tourism appeal. Top things to do in Giethoorn. Explore the canals. The most iconic activity in Giethoorn is exploring its canals. Visitors can rent whisper boats, canoes, or traditional punters to navigate the waterways. Whisper boats are small, electric boats that are easy to maneuver and perfect for a peaceful exploration of the village. As you glide along the water, you'll pass under charming wooden bridges and by picturesque cottages, offering a unique perspective of Giethoorn's beauty. Visit the museums. Giethoorn boasts several interesting museums that provide a glimpse into its rich history and culture. Museum Giethoorn T Oldmat Uus. This museum is set in a traditional farmhouse and offers insights into the daily life of Giethoorn's residents over the centuries. Exhibits include historical artifacts, farming tools, and traditional clothing. De Oude Aarde. Founded in 1969, this museum showcases a fascinating collection of minerals and fossils. Visitors can marvel at the stunning gemstones and learn about the geological history of the Earth. Museum Gloria Maris, a treasure trove for lovers of seashells and coral, this museum houses an extensive collection of marine artifacts. Stroll through the village. Walking through Giethoorn is like stepping back in time. The village is largely car-free, making it a pedestrian paradise. Wander along the narrow footpaths, cross the quaint bridges, and admire the beautifully maintained gardens. The serene atmosphere and the sound of water gently lapping against the boats create a peaceful and idyllic setting. Experience the local cuisine. No visit to Giethoorn is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. There are several charming cafes and restaurants where you can enjoy Dutch delicacies. Try traditional dishes like poffertjes, small pancakes, stroopwafels, caramel waffle cookies, and hearty Dutch stews. Many restaurants offer stunning views of the canals, providing a perfect backdrop for a leisurely meal. Cycling and hiking. The surrounding area of Giethoorn is perfect for cycling and hiking enthusiasts. The village is part of the Weerbenweiden National Park, one of the most significant wetland reserves in Europe. Rent a bike and explore the scenic trails, or take a leisurely hike to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the region. The park is home to diverse flora and fauna, making it a paradise for nature lovers and bird watchers. Attend local festivals. Giethoorn hosts several local festivals and events throughout the year that celebrate its culture and traditions. One of the most popular events is the Giethoorn Gondola Festival, where beautifully decorated gondolas parade through the canals, accompanied by music and festivities. The Ballenstreek Bloemen Corso, Flower Parade, is another highlight, featuring stunning floral floats that showcase the region's horticultural heritage. Fun facts about Giethoorn. Car-free zone. One of the most charming aspects of Giethoorn is its car-free nature. Most of the village is accessible only by boat, bicycle, or on foot, contributing to its tranquil and peaceful atmosphere. Wooden bridges. Giethoorn boasts over 170 wooden bridges, each adding to the village's picturesque charm. These bridges connect the various islands and houses, creating a unique and enchanting landscape. Popular film location. Giethoorn's scenic beauty has made it a popular location for films and television shows. The village gained international fame after appearing in the 1958 Dutch film Fanfare, directed by Bert Hanstra. Weerbenweiden National Park. Giethoorn is located within this national park, which is one of the largest and most important wetland reserves in Europe. The park's diverse ecosystems support a wide variety of plant and animal species. Thatched roofs. Many of the cottages in Giethoorn have traditional thatched roofs, which are not only beautiful but also functional, providing excellent insulation. Planning your visit. Best time to visit. Giethoorn is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit is during the spring and summer months, April to September. During this time, the weather is pleasant, and the gardens are in full bloom, creating a vibrant and colorful landscape. However, the village can get quite busy during the peak summer months, so consider visiting in the shoulder seasons, April, May, and September, for a more peaceful experience. How to get there? Giethoorn is easily accessible by car, train, and bus. If you're traveling from Amsterdam, you can take a train to Steenwijk, and from there, a bus to Giethoorn. The journey takes approximately 2 hours. If you're driving, Giethoorn is about a 90-minute drive from Amsterdam. Once you arrive, you can park your car at one of the designated parking areas and explore the village on foot or by boat. Accommodation options. Giethoorn offers a range of accommodation options to suit different preferences and budgets. From charming bed and breakfasts to luxurious hotels, you'll find plenty of places to stay that provide easy access to the village's attractions. Many accommodations are located along the canals, offering stunning views and a serene ambience. Tips for visiting Giethoorn. Book boat rentals in advance. Giethoorn is a popular tourist destination, especially during the summer months. To ensure you get a boat rental, it's a good idea to book in advance. Bring comfortable footwear. As the village is best explored on foot, make sure to wear comfortable shoes. The cobblestone paths and bridges can be uneven, so sturdy footwear is recommended. Pack a picnic. Take advantage of the beautiful scenery by packing a picnic. There are several picturesque spots along the canals where you can relax and enjoy a meal. Respect the residents. While Giethoorn is a tourist hotspot, it's also home to many residents. Be respectful of their privacy and property, and follow any posted signs or guidelines. Explore beyond the village. While Giethoorn is the main attraction, the surrounding region of Overijssel has much to offer. Consider taking day trips to nearby towns and natural attractions to fully experience the beauty of the area. Giethoorn, with its enchanting canals, charming cottages, and tranquil atmosphere, is a destination like no other. Whether you're exploring the waterways, indulging in local cuisine, or simply soaking in the serene ambience, this Dutch village offers a unique and unforgettable experience. From its rich history to its natural beauty, Giethoorn is a place that captures the heart and imagination of all who visit. Plan your trip today and discover the magic of Giethoorn, the Venice of the Netherlands. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe Travel Cyclopedia for more.